Hey guys, and welcome back to our Vexel Art tutorial. And on this video, this would be a continuation or katuloy lang po ito ng previous video po natin on how to use the pen tool. If you miss out or hindi nyo po napanood yung previous video po natin, you can check out this link tong lalabas dito sa taas, or maybe better to check the description below for the link and more information. Maraming salamat po. Okay, we're going to start this tutorial by reviewing yung ginawa natin on our previous video, which is this one is the output po natin using the pen tool. Okay, natutunan po natin on the previous video how to use the pen tool, how to change the different settings, how to change the color, the stroke, and everything else. And natutunan po natin kung paano po mag-curve, paano i-adjust yung anchor points, and how to cut. Okay? At marami pong iba. Okay. Ang gagawin naman po natin on this tutorial is that pag-aralan po natin kung paano po gamitin tong feature na to ng pen tool. Okay? Ang usually na ginagamit po natin, or the default one, is the new layer. Okay? On this video, or on this tutorial, ang gagawin po natin is pag-aaralan po natin kung paano gamitin si combine shapes, subtract, front shape, and these two, hindi ko na po ito i-discuss kasi ang main focus lang po naman natin is these two, okay? Which is usually ginagamit po natin sa pag-vexel art. Okay, let's continue, or let's start the tutorial. Total naman po ay nandito na po tayo sa output na to, which is ang gusto po sana natin is that pa tayo gumana ng movie. Yan. Gusto po natin is that yung output po kasi natin on the previous tutorial or video is that wala po tayong butas, or yung center po natin ay wala pong butas, which is ang gusto po natin is that dapat may circle din po dito sa center. Tama? Okay. To do that, is just i-Ctrl Z ko lang para bumalik. Okay. To do that, select pen tool, which is this one, or just press P on the keyboard, and then let's select subtract front shape. After selecting that, para po makita po natin yung circle or yung butas na gagawin po natin, is that palitan po natin yung fill ng no color. And press enter, zoom po natin konti, then we're going to trace the circle inside. Okay, and not perfect, gagawin po natin dyan, i-apply po natin natutunan natin on the previous video or tutorial, is that press Ctrl, then adjust the anchor points or anchors. Yan, Ctrl ulit, Alt para madrag po natin. Yan. Control and Alt usually ginagamit po natin. After that, trace na po natin yung perfect circle, just press enter. Okay. And then let's change the color to maybe yellow or green. Then press enter. Yan. Then we're done. We're done with the subtract. We can hide the original image. Yan, para po makita yung output po natin, which is this one. So what happens is that isang layer lang po ito. Okay? We can adjust the resolution para mas lumiwanag, mas maging maganda po yung output po natin. Maybe let's change this to 150. And para medyo tumaas po yung resolution. And as you can see po, we are done with the output. Okay? Now, let's try or practice the combine shapes. Okay, so this is the output for using the subtract. Ang gagawin naman po natin ngayon is to combine shapes. To do that, go to this settings and then press combine. Make sure before combining is that nakalabas po yung path po natin. Yan. Something like that. Okay, for example, gagawa lang po ako ng effects dito. Siguro lagyan po natin ng ganyan. Then, siguro sundan lang natin to. This is just a sample. To cut this, press Alt. Then, click ko lang dito. And then, click ko lang po doon. Then, for example, ganito, nahihirapan po akong ayos yung shape. So, bibitawan ko lang po siya. Wala akong problema doon. Just press Ctrl, then click this one or any endpoints. Then, by pressing Alt, pwede po natin siyang i-drag at i-ayos. Yan. Okay. So, press Enter after that. What happens that, unlike yung previous tutorials po natin, na kapag, for example, pag naka-new layer to, what will happen is that, pansinin nyo po ito pag magpipindot ako. So, ayun. So, nagkaroon po tayo ng panibagong layer. And, you do not want that to happen. So, just press Enter. Ang gusto po natin is that, isang layer lang po siya. So, we can delete this one. And, then, pag lumabas po ulit na ganyan, we can select this option, combine. And then, siguro, mag-add din po ako dito. So, pansinin po ninyo, hindi po siya nagkaroon ng panibagong layer. Kasi po naka-combine siya, it means magsasama po sila sa isang layer. Okay? Apply po ulit natin, Alt. Okay, yan. Alt ulit para makatanggal tong anchor na to. Ganun. Then, siguro, click ko na lang dito. Yan. And then, apply po ulit natin, Alt sa keyboard. Then, drag, Alt to cut. Then, combine. So, we're done. Ganun lang po kadaling gamitin ang subtract at combine features ng ating pen tool. Okay, to apply this, is that nag-download po ako ng isang image sa internet, which is this one. Ang gagawin po siguro natin is that, ang gagawin po natin for us to apply kung ano yung natutunan po natin today, is that i-trace po natin ito using only one layer. Okay? So, okay. Now, we are ready to start for the output. I-apply na po natin kung ano po yung mga natutunan natin on the previous video and kung ano po yung natutunan natin on this video. Okay? Just like always, select pen tool. Make sure naka-shape po tayo. And then, fill color. Ayan. Siguro sa fill color, pwede ko po siyang ino-color po muna. And then, stroke is none. Siyempre, pag mag-start po tayo, make sure na naka-new layer po tayo. Okay? Some of you might boring or what, pero practicing or mastering how to use the pen tool is an essential thing to do before going or doing vexel art. Okay? Let's start by siguro, yan, selecting yung part na yon. Then, ididiretso ko na po siya dito, which is just a straight line. Kung saan, pwede ko naman po siyang i-modify using control. Okay, click ko lang po dyan, then control. Yan. After that, by pressing Alt sa keyboard, drag ko lang po yun. Same goes dito po. Alt lang. Okay. After that, click ko na po siya dito. Straight line, just drag para makuha natin yung precise angle or curve. Alt to cut this one. Then, click this one, drag. And then, kung hindi nga po kaya, just press Ctrl para lumabas po yung anchor. And then, click, drag. Ayan. Okay. After that, para po isang layer lang po siya, let's select combine. Para mag-combine po yung dalawang shapes. Click, drag, okay, Alt to cut, zoom in, zoom out, yan, click, then Alt, drag lang po natin siya, then this one, click ulit doon, drag ulit natin yung anchor, okay, then click lang po doon, drag lang po natin yan, something like that, and then continue natin dito, click ganun, yan, okay, siguro click ko lang hanggang dito, then drag ko lang po siya, Then, click ulit dito. Yan. Alt. Oops, sorry. Control Z. Alt. And then, click natin doon. Okay. Control para lumabas yung anchor. And then, ayusin kung ganun. Okay. So, we're done with the first part. Tapos na po tayo sa first part. Para po makita natin kung tama po yung ginagawa natin, just press escape. After that, select po natin yung color na gusto po natin, which is green, yan, or any color na gusto po ninyo, just to check kung tama po yung ginagawa po natin. So, okay. So, we're doing okay. Ang gagawin ko po is babalik ko po muna sa no color para hindi po tayo magka-problema. Ayan. And to combine this one naman, make sure to combine ulit. Ayan. Trace this one. Click mo lang na ganyan. Click mo lang din dito. Drag mo. Ayan. Alt para makat. And continue. Sorry. Control Z. Ayan. Siguro yung iba sa inyo nagtataka kung ba't blue yung line ko. Kasi yung ibang version ng Photoshop is that white or yung plain gray lang na kung saan mas mahirap siyang mapansin. Yan. Ang version po kasi ng Photoshop na gamit ko is yung Creative Cloud, which is CC, Photoshop CC 2019 version. Okay? At if you want the installer or yung crack po na ginamit ko, just comment below. And siguro gagawa pa ako ng separate video on how to download and install the cracked version of the Photoshop CC. Okay? Continue lang po natin doon. And kung may mga questions po kayo on how to use the pen tool, mag-comment lang po kayo sa baba para magawa ko po ng paraan at matulungan ko po kayo. Then, click lang Alt sa keyboard para matanggal yan. Then click continue natin dito. Okay, zoom out ko. After that, check po natin ulit by pressing escape. Then the color. Okay, we're okay. We're fine. Close, now fill ulit. Escape. So, sorry, Control Z. And tapos na po tayo. Natutunan po natin kung paano mag-combine. Ngayon naman po, ang gagawin natin is yun sa middle naman po, yung center. Paano po gawin tong butas na to? Okay. Just press escape lang po. Select po natin. Then, gagawin po natin subtract front shape. So, let's check kung tama pa rin yung ginagawa natin. Okay. Close. Yan. So, trace lang po natin yung circle sa middle na susubtract po natin. Yan. Ayusin lang po natin. Yan. In times na nagka-problema man po kayo, just press Ctrl Z. And mastering the pen tool, it takes time po talaga. Hindi po siya one day. Sanay ka na agad sa pen tool. Ayan. Just press enter. After that, palitan natin yung fill. Maybe let's try this one, this color. And we're done. We're done with the how to use the combine and subtract. Let's close the original image, and this is our output. I hope na may natutunan po kayo, at kung may natutunan man po kayo or nagustuhan nyo po tong tutorial na to, don't forget to click that subscribe button and like and share this to your friends. And if you have some questions or may mga katanungan man po kayo, don't forget to, or wag po kayong mahiyang mag-comment down on the comment box below. Okay? Maraming salamat po. And on our next video tutorial naman is that tuturo ko po kung paano mag-trace using the pen tool and the different things na natutunan po natin on the first video and on this video. Maraming salamat po.